Import this type of image. Create new artboard. Add a text. Change the text color. Drag and enlarge the text. Add solid color and select the color you want. Drag and drop the images. Decrease image's opacity. Adjust image size and position accordingly. And reset the opacity 100%. Right click on image layer and select click on mask. Ctrl D duplicate the images layer. Click select and subject. Click on mask and subject layer. Then duplicate the text layer. And decrease the fill. Open the blending option and add stroke. Open the blending option and add drop shadow like this. Change the background solid color. That would be nice. That's all. Complete the design.